Distillation, the art of separating volatile compounds through vaporization and condensation, lies at the heart of chemical engineering. And Pignat's benchtop continuous distillation training system is the pinnacle in understanding and studying column hydrodynamics and continuous distillation processes. At its core, this system utilizes advanced components, such as the touchscreen HMI control system with data acquisition that allows the user to adjust the parameters and set points of the processes and retrieve and analyze process data. The glass preheater and boiler, meticulously designed, facilitate efficient heating, essential for initiating vaporization within the column. Inside the column, glass bubble cap trays enhance material exchange between rising vapors and descending liquids, a critical process in achieving high purity separations. The glass condenser and heat exchanger, outfitted with specialized glass coils, ensure effective condensation of vapors back into liquid form, preserving valuable components. Temperature probes and precise flow meters provide real-time data essential for maintaining thermal and mass balances throughout the system. From its innovative design to practical application, Pignat's continuous distillation training system sets the standard in educating future engineers on the complexities of distillation. Discover the science that drives chemical separation, shaping the industries of tomorrow. Pignat, where precision meets performance in distillation education.